Hello, welcome back dear student. A new video. Today in this video I will teach you tense. What is tense? We proper discuss definition of tense, type of tense through flowchart, and also I discuss present indefinite tense completely with example with structure. So this is all about today video overview. Now let's start video. Understanding tense in English grammar. Tense is grammatical method used to indicate the time when an action or state of being occurs. It essentially tells us whether an event happened in the past, is happening now in the present, or will happen in future. Basically, the simple meaning of tense is called time, and we know the time. There are three types of time. First is past, past like yesterday, and present, present like I am teaching. So this is present, and future I will teach. This is all about. There are three types of tense. We aware very well in these three type of times. Basically, time called tense. So I think tense mean time. Simple. Tense mean time. So now we discuss proper definition of tense. A tense from the Latin word tempus. Very important because if we study any subject, English, any other subject, we need to understand proper history, where word comes. So that is very important. So also I add this type of more information because we know grammar, this class is grammar, but when we discuss something new, so that will be the impact of your knowledge. You learn new things. So today we learn very new things from a tense from the Latin word tempus mean time. Okay, allows you to properly sequence events, means tense mean properly sequence events and actions. Every sentence requires a verb. Very, very important. When I teach you, so I teach every lecture. Like verb is very important. Verb is the heart of sentence. Without verb, sentence incomplete, and that verb must be conjugated to show the time frame. Okay, so verb show the time framework. Tense mean time, and the word tense come from tempus, which means time. I also told. So now let's move. We discuss about types of tense through flowchart. Okay, these are divided into three main frames, and each time frame is further subdivided into four steps, giving us a total 12 tense. Means overview. Firstly we divide three main frames, then subdivide four steps, then 12 total tenses. The flowchart below illustrates this structure. Main tense time. Okay, main tense present, past, future. And firstly we discuss present subtype. Firstly, main tense time indefinite, simple, continuous, progressive. Use all these three: perfect and perfect continuous. First is present simple, and then present continuous, present perfect continuous, and then past, past simple, simple past, also known as indefinite past, past continuous or progressive, past perfect, and past perfect continuous, and future simple future, and future continuous are progressive, and future perfect continuous. Remember in this time, firstly tense there are main three, like firstly present past continuous, and then present present indefinite or present simple, present continuous, present perfect, and present perfect continuous. Okay, so then start past, all same, same method implement in all. If you remember first, like simple present, present continuous, present perfect continuous. So also you remember like simple past and past continuous, past past perfect continuous, same as simple future, future continuous, and future perfect continuous. So discuss about present indefinite tense. Today in this video I only cover present indefinite tense, and also because video so long, so that's why I want to not take long session or long teaching session. So because some students not want to like watch long video, so that's why I'm not make any long video. So very short video, and one day we cover present indefinite, next day we cover present continuous and present perfect and present perfect, at least 12 to 13 video about tense. You will be check on playlist, and every day one video will be upload. I try give my best. Okay, so present indefinite tense, simple present, also known as simple present. Explanation: why present indefinite tense important? Present indefinite tense is very important because I give you definition so you understand why present indefinite tense is very important. Firstly, the present indefinite tense are known as simple present tense, is used to describe actions that are routines, our daily routines, our habitual habits, facts, journal truths, or schedules even. That is very important. You remember in your mind, set in your mind these points, like present simple, or present indefinite tense used for the habits, and used for the routines, used for the facts, used for the journal truths, and schedule events. Okay, very important. So no, first is positive affirmative structure. Positive, known as affirmative structure, also known as positive. This structure is used to make simple statement about a habitual or fact. First, for singular subject, like for singular subject like he, she, it, singular noun. So first is used, this is not right, I cut, subject, and then base verb, main verb first form. Okay, okay, so then this I also cut SRES, use SRES, and then plus object, mean simple. If I here write for singular subject plus verb first form plus SES plus object. I think you understand very well this structure. No, for plural subject, I, you, we, they are plural noun, like subject plus verb first form plus object. Simple. This is very simple. For plural, subject plus verb first form plus object. Okay, these two structure remember and write in your notebook. So for negative, I discuss for negative, this structure is used to deny a habitual action. Deny. Rule for singular subject, he, she, it are singular noun. Firstly, subject. Okay, subject plus, this is I also erase, subject plus does not, does not, plus, plus also I erase, verb first form, I write here, verb first form plus object. Okay, mean when we make negative sentence, so that time we use subject plus does not plus verb first form plus object. When we make for plural subject like I, you, we, they are plural noun. Some student mind question like I is the singular, but like it is the you can say universal fact, or the grammar like rule is more strict. I like I have the freedom. I sometimes choose singular, and most probably I choose plural form of verb. Like when I say like I mostly choose plural form, plural subject. So you must understand one exception, all singular he, she, it are singular noun, but I mostly probably go for plural subject. This exception you will remember in your mind. So okay, when we made like structure for the plural, so subject plus do not, no, I write here because here space is very limited, so I erase here, and where I write here. Okay, understand please. Like for plural, ठीक है, subject, okay, subject plus, subject plus do not plus verb first form plus object. I also write here for plural subject, negative for plural subject. I think you understand. Okay, here like also this is typing some mistakes, so that's why this type I also erase from here, and you understand very well. And also I mention this. Yes, okay, you understand very well. Okay, so this structure, and now we practice, and sentence present indefinite tense. Okay, here are our 30 example of positive negative sentence using the present indefinite. I give you this important sentence, affirmative or positive, and also you try to make as possible as least 100 200 sentence practice every day, because these sentence using in speaking, these sentence mostly like when you go exam, so that time these sentence very helpful in your grammar. So I think you read this sentence also, as well as you practice more and more sentence as possible. Okay, so first is I wake up early morning, early morning. Okay, I wake up. So subject is I explain only one sentence, and the other I read because time is limited, so you understand. Okay, I is subject. Okay, wake is verb. Okay, and early morning object. I think you understand. Okay, so there are three parts in any sentence. I think you understand very well. So next, she writes a new article each week. Okay, we study for the exams diligently. He works as a software engineer. They play football on Saturdays. Okay, play mean like this is hobby. Some people hobby, and some student play everyday football. So that's mean mostly games including present tense. It rains heavily in the monsoon season, because like general truth, it is general truth. When monsoon, so June, July, and during August and September, very heavy rainfall. The sunrise in the east, universal fact, very important. I initially told, use these sentence for universal purpose and universal fact, general truth, and daily routine. The train leaves 7 a.m. sharp, fixed schedule. Okay, my mother cooks delicious food. This is daily routine. The children love ice cream. Like routine. My brother read historical books. You speak English very well. Birds migrate in the winter. Water boils at 100 degrees Celsius. Scientific fact. Okay, like water boil in 100 Celsius degrees. So this is the scientific fact also. And the office open at 9 o'clock. This is fixed schedule. Fixed schedule. The earth revolve around the sun. Okay, and these sentence please read. And then negative sentence. I do not waste my time on social media. This is very important. Do use for. I also told them I choose for special. Like plural. Do use for plural. So I take do. She does not. She is the like singular, and she when we call she. So she it does. She does not. She does not watch televisions often. We do not agree with their policy. We is the plural. He is the singular. I told every like subject. I teach every subject. Okay. I does not I does not know the answer to the question. They do not live in this city anymore. The dog does not bark at stranger. Oh, the moon does not produce its own light. Hmm. My phone does not work properly. You do not practice enough for your goal. This is very important. Like when you make goal and you do not proper follow your goal. So when time pass, so that time we very sorrow. We feel very sorrow. History does not repeat itself exactly. My parents do not support that political party. Students do not carry mobile phones in the classroom. The coffee does not taste bitter. Okay, so make more and more sentence and practice more and more sentence. Today I have only and only covered present indefinite tense, and I try tomorrow I will teach you present continuous completely and completely practice with subject, with verb, with object, with structure. So basically my motive is the every student who want to speak English, who want to learn English. So please, I speak only simple English, and I think every student understand this English very well. Okay, so please wait for next video, and thank you watching this video, and we will discuss next day the new topic. Thank you for watching this video, and okay, bye bye.